welcome back to my channel. Now today, before I get started, I want to share with you guys a few things. Now, you can't see all of it, but in front of me I have a ton of Easter stuff for my front porch that I want to decorate with, so I'm going to be sharing that with you guys. But today I want to do an update on my weight loss. So last Thursday was March the 14th, and that would have been a month, and I did go ahead and weigh myself. So far I've lost 8.5 pounds. And I'm super excited about that. I mean, it's better losing 8 pounds than gaining 8 pounds. I must say that I am not eating a lot of food, or I think that I'm not consuming a lot of calories. So again, it's only like 2 pounds a week, but anyways, I'll take it. I generally don't lose a lot of weight fast, and I am not doing any exercising because my body is so used to me just being very active during the day. I mow the grass, I do all kinds of other things. I'm always, on my feet throughout the day. So for me, I probably got to put in some extra, walking or something else if I want to, maybe speed up the process. But anyways, I'll take it, and guess what? In a couple months, maybe I'll lose 30 pounds before the summer gets here, and I'll be super happy. So far, I can tell a little bit, like in my area here and on the sides, because this shirt would normally bulge out like here, or be kind of a lot tighter. But anyways, the other thing is, a lot of times you guys don't see me in my video because I always think that if I get on camera, I've got to take a shower, I've got to blow dry my hair, straighten it, put on my makeup, and get dressed. And there are days, we all wake up on the weekend, and how many of you guys want to just stay in your leggings, your t-shirts, and generally this is really good for me today because I went ahead and put on a bra for you guys, and then a lot of times I have bleach stains all over my leggings, and my t-shirts will have holes, they'll be bleached, but I went ahead and pulled out these Walmart leggings that have been sitting in my closet. I thought, let me try these on and see how they fit, because the ones they have at Walmart, they have the ones that are like a little bit higher on your ankle, and I do not like them. The ones I like are the ones that go all the way down, all the way to the bottom, not up here higher. But anyways, so I have some new leggings on that have no bleach spots or anything like that. So one of these days, I think I need to do a closet cleaning and just get rid of all these old leggings and all these t-shirts that have all these bleach spots and then all this stuff on them. But anyways, I thought, you know what, today I will just put on a bra, put my hair in a clip, and you guys can see me like this because today is Sunday, and I'm going to stay home, I'm going to clean, I'm going to decorate, and this is generally how I like to be during the day. So if I'm not going anywhere or leaving the house, this is what I wear during the day. And of course, I won't have a bra on. So anyways, I'm going to put the camera in view so you can see all the stuff that I got. Now, while I'm here, real quick, we went yard sailing Saturday over in a different area from here, and I must say there were so many yard sales. I mean, there were neighborhood, just tons of people, neighborhood community yard sales. Down every street, every block we went down, there was a yard sale. There was an estate sale. So I got a few things. Let's see. Oh, well, for one, I got this little bunny here, which I thought was really cute. Anything that I can find Easter, I will definitely buy because, again, I can always use it somewhere for decorating. And I thought this was real cute. Now, it did have a little bow on it, and it was kind of, I didn't really like the bow, but I'm thinking I might maybe put a little bow right here. And I'm trying to think how much I bought this for. It might have been 50 cents, maybe $1, but I don't think so. It probably was 50 cents. So I really like that. And then I got this over here. It says, a happy Easter, little bunny on it. And then if I turn it around, I noticed on the back it came from Home Goods, and the price on this was $9.99. And anyways, I picked this up for $1. So I mean, you can't beat finding this stuff at a yard sale. It's like brand new. And then, wasn't sure what I was going to do with these, but again, how can you pass up a quarter? 25 cents on these little twig branches that I might be able to do something with. And I'm trying to think, I don't have it out here, but I ended up finding a stainless steel men's bracelet. It looks brand new, and it's really nice. It's stainless steel, and then in the middle, it has black in it, and I picked that up for $1. Now, when I went on the internet to search to see if I could find something similar to that, I mean, they have some that are $75, some are like 100 and something, or they even had one at a jewelry store that was like $200. So I knew a way, for $1, I'll take it. Maybe one of my sons can wear it if they decide. I even wore it that day, put it on, it was a little big, but didn't look too bad. But I'm telling you, hit your yard sales, and you might come across some really great finds. So anyways, let me go ahead and I'm going to show you guys everything I got that I want to decorate for Easter for my front porch. I went ahead up in the attic and I found 2 buckets of Easter stuff up in the attic. And at first, when I went up there, I couldn't find anything, and I was like, where's all my stuff at? But, because I think I had a yard sale, I don't know, a couple months back, and I ended up getting rid of some bunnies and some yard decor that I had, because putting stuff up in the attic, you get, I don't know what's up there, but my stuff will get chewed. The little fabric on my bunnies will be chewed away, so I ended up putting those in my yard sale thinking I'll buy some new stuff. But anyways, over at Pier 1, they had these really cute front door mats, and I picked this up for, I believe these were $15 each. So I went ahead and had these delivered to my house, and I got 2 of them for my front doors. So today I'm going to put those out in the front, and then last year after Easter they had a big clearance sale at Pier 1. So I've been storing these for about a year now. Okay. So I got these wreaths. Now I am not sure what I paid for these. I don't even know if the tag is still on here. I don't think the price is on here. But I probably paid 75% off whatever the original price was. But I picked up 2 of these for my front door, and I think these are going to look really cute because what I have in this bag over here, I'm going to add something to this, and it's going to make it look even nicer. Because at first I didn't know if I liked the carrots or not, but after putting the little bunny head that I'm going to use on this wreath, it's going to look really cute. So I got 2 of these. And let me show you what's in my bag here. So here is the little bunnies that I'm going to use. Now these came from Hobby Lobby. And all I'm going to do is I am going to take the little, I think I'm going to take the little ribbon off here. And then I think instead of hot gluing it, because I always like to change my stuff around, I think I'm just going to snip the wood piece here, and then I can just insert it into the wreath itself. So if you see, this is going to look really cute with a little bunny head on there. So I'm going to do that. And I got 2 of these from Hobby Lobby, and these are only priced at $4.99, and then they're 40% off. And then one other thing that's going to go by my flag out there in the front is going to be a little bunny that's going to sit next to my flag in my yard. And then again, this one was $19.99, and then with 40% off, $12 for this bunny here. And then what's in my buckets here? Okay, another thing. Pier 1. Again, last year, probably 75% off. This is a table runner. It's got these cute little bunnies on the side there. So I'm not sure where I'm going to use this. It could be my table out in my kitchen, or maybe, I don't even know if I'll use it on my coffee bar. But I picked it up because, again, how can you pass up these deals after Easter with these, because regular price during the season, they're super expensive. So I picked that up. And then what's in my buckets here, I have some pillows that'll go on my bench. The little bunny says Happy Easter with the little bow and the little blue writing. And then this one here, I generally will put right out here in my family room on my chair. And I think, again, Pier 1, I think they still have this pillow, because this is from last year. And then, I couldn't pass this up when I saw this. My husband loves marshmallow peeps. And wouldn't you know, a bunch of little peeps in the basket that says Happy Easter. So this is my flag that I'm going to put out front. And then in here, last year, well, I must have gotten them before last year, but these big, huge bunnies here, I found these at a yard sale. I think they were only like $2. They're kind of big and they dangle, but last year I put these on my bench and had them out there. And I got 2 of these. then, let's see, this one says Happy Easter, and I generally put this on my garage door. Not on the garage door, but on my light outside in the middle, and this will hang from it. So I have this. So at first I didn't think I had much, but actually I do. And then a little sign that says Easter. And then it looks like I have an Easter plate. And then I think at one time I used these on my front door. You can tell there's been something in here because there's all kinds of little, these here I used on my front door one year. The little bunny that says Happy, what does it say, Easter greetings. And then, let's see. Yeah, there's all kinds of like, who knows, there's even a roach in my bucket. See, that's why the attic is not good. If you guys have room to store your stuff in a nice bucket in somewhere in the house would be great, but there's a roach in my bucket. Anyways, here's a spring wreath. I don't know what I use this for, and see, again, you put your stuff up in the attic and you think it's, well, the lid wasn't on tight. So again, you can see where the stuff is all chewed away. And that's what I hate about putting stuff up in the attic. So again, I'm going to learn my lesson and make sure I have an airtight lid on it, I guess, that nothing gets in here, but stuff is getting inside the bucket, as you can see. I don't want to mess with that. I'm going to take that outside. Yeah, take that outside and get rid of that stuff. These, I don't remember where I picked these up, but these are cute, these little bunnies. I can use these somewhere out front. So I have these. And other thing in here I must have picked up again too. I put this away. Let's see, it has a little bunny on it. I don't know if you guys can see, but it has a little bunny on it with my last name, initial M. Maybe I'll put this somewhere else in the yard, somewhere, you know, in a different spot. And another Easter sign I could hang up somewhere outside if I wanted to. And the only other thing in here is just an Easter basket. And then I do have this little pink little bunny that I've used for several years now, which is really cute. So let's go ahead and I'm going to try and put some stuff out front and see how it looks, and I'll show you guys when I'm all done decorating. Well, my wreaths are all hung, and I must say these came out really cute. And when I purchased these, I wasn't sure if I was really in love with these carrot wreaths, but I must say after pulling them out and adding the little bunnies, I really think these turned out really cute. Now, when I was pulling off the tags, I noticed the price. They were marked at $79.95, but of course I didn't pay that. I got these after Easter, probably 75 or 80% off, so that's a pretty good deal. Now I want to share with you guys my rugs that I got from Pier 1. Now these coordinate really well with my wreaths. They got the little bunnies with the little carrots, and they say Happy Easter. So let me go ahead and share with you guys the rest of my front porch. I hope you all enjoyed my video, and I hope it gives you some ideas and inspiration when decorating your home for Easter. Now don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and as always, I love comments, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you know when I upload a new video. And until next time, happy decorating!